Hi, following on from our last tutorial on how to create a smart lesson via EP Studio, we're going to have a look today at how to create an assessment via EP Studio.
From your dashboard, navigate to the Content tab and select Edit Mode. Ensure that the subject at the top is the one that you want to be working in. At the top here, you will see the types of content that you can create using our studio. Click Exam. You can choose how a new slide will be formatted by selecting one of these options. You have 3 tabs above to choose from: Auto-marked, Manually marked, or Information slides. By watching our previous tutorial called Creating Smart Lessons via EP Studio, you can find out more about how to use each of the components that you can add to your assessment. At the top of the slide, you can label your question. At the bottom, you'll have a range of options, including marking options, the number of points that this question is worth, and analysis tags. Accurate analysis tags will allow the system to assign remedial work for your students. To add an analysis tag, click Add Tag. Name your tag, then add content that would help scaffold your students' learning to achieve the question in the assessment that you have just created. You can add as many recommended tasks and analysis tags to each question slide as you like. Once an assessment has been completed, answers will be categorised by the analysis tags that you've given each question. Clicking on the Settings button at the top of the screen will allow you to change the assessment title, the grading type, either percentage or grading based, and the suggested time allowed. You can also hide the question names if you choose. You can arrange questions into sections and groups, which can help to keep things organised and determine the order in which groups of questions are presented to students. Different question types also need to be stored in separate sections. By clicking on the section folder, you can see a summary of the analysis tags you have assigned to this section. You can assign a generic score that all correct questions in this section will receive, and you can choose how many questions will be answered within this section. Everything in the left sidebar is movable if you want to rearrange the folders. Once you have saved your exam, you can assign it to your students. If your exam has been assigned and set by your students already, you will not be able to edit it. Click on the 3 dots and click Make a Copy if you wish to make edits for future assessments. Click Move this exam to my school's content if you would like other teachers in your school to access this assessment.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to create assessments via EP Studio. Remember to reach out to your key contact at EP if you would like a more in-depth professional development session.